Alright, hold down the fifth button for a few seconds. Code, only one we know is 1111. And then if you need to change the settings, you can go fourth button over, units. That's pretty much the only thing we changed. If you may need to change the language, you got a few to choose from. You can go back to get out of everything. Okay, then this is the fourth screen that should be up. You can change those screens on these four. Then you have the triple button that will change it to a 3 setting instead of 4. This is the alarm button. If there's an alarm, you can hold the fourth button down to delete the alarm. Hold to reset it to delete the alarm. Then you can back out of it. Shut the door. Alarm, hold it down, push it, and then hold it down, and you can delete. This is the diagnostic screen, don't use that. Go back to the fourth. I think that's pretty much it. Any questions, let me know.